Hi my gorgeous peaches. So are you ladies ready for another unboxing? I hope so, because I know I am. But before we get into the unit that I want to share with you, I want to introduce to you Miss Alexa LANDE. She's actually the ambassador for Shea Moisture. She does their unboxing and she also does very informative videos on hair care. And in her upcoming videos, she will also be doing some DIY. So you ladies, I am about to link down below her information. Click on it. Don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to share this information because, you know, we all need a little touch up here and there. And there's never a day that goes by that you cannot use some new information. Okay, ladies? So please check out Alexa's YouTube channel. I'm going to go ahead and link down below for you ladies. So do not forget to look out for her and do not forget to subscribe, okay? So anyways, the unit that I want to get into today is by Divatress. I will actually leave the direct link for Divatress's website. I can't even talk today. Anyways, it's their Shake and Go brand, meaning that you could just take it out of the box, shake it off, put it on, and go. So we'll see how truthful that is, okay? So the actual style that I have her in is Whitney, and I have her in the color Natural. And it says that you can dye, bleach, and perm this unit. And it's their naked Brazilian. I'm not naked. They said naked. It's their naked Brazilian natural 100% human hair wig. And this is what she actually looks like. So that's what she looks like. The style, the color. Let me get in close so you'll see that. And yeah, I don't know. I think this is inspired by Whitney Houston, because that's the actual way they spelled the name. So, and it does kind of looks like Whitney. I love her and I miss her dearly. So yes, let me go ahead and take this unit out and I will go over the actual construction of the cap. So don't you go anywhere. I'll be right back. All right, my lovelies. So this is the actual stock card up close. And on the inside of the card, it actually tells you how to take care of this unit. So you have to pay attention because each unit is different and they do have their own instructions. This is the actual top part of the unit. That's how the actual closure is. The hair is a very natural luster. It's not shiny. I like these beach waves going on and I like the length on this unit. I can't wait to try her on. Shedding wise, I'm not getting any shedding. I will try her on to let you know if she is big head friendly. But let me flip this cap inside out so I could go over that with you. So in the back of the unit, you only get one comb. You get your adjustable straps. And in the front of the unit, there are no combs. Do not panic. I see some of y'all like, what? You can always get combs from your beauty supply store and sew them in yourself. So do not panic, okay? But she does come with air tabs, so you can actually put her in the right spot. So if I left anything out, please leave me a comment down below because sometimes I go on and I don't remember everything, okay? But yeah, this is the actual natural color. Let me just back up from my lighting. So that's actually the color that you're looking at right now. It's not dark. It's not a 1. It's not a 1B. It's kind of in between with a little tinge of brown. So let me go ahead and remove the tag. I'm going to try her on and I will let you know if she is big head friendly. Okay, so this is where I've adjusted the straps. So in this way, you'll know how much room you have left to when I tell you whether it's big head friendly or not. So let me go ahead and try this unit on. It would help if I remove my hat and my other wig, right? Okay, I'm just going to secure the unit in the back. So this is her fresh out of the pack and pulled on my head. So what I'm doing now is trying to put these ear tabs in place. So before I do anything else, let me just give you a 360. So this is the front of the unit. Did I get all the hair out? Okay. This is the left side of the unit. This is the right side. And I'll turn around so you can see the back. So I could tell you right now, the hair is very, very soft. And they did say that you could actually dye, bleach, and perm this unit. So the hair is very, very soft. If your bangs are too long, you can always trim those a little shorter. Let me go ahead and fix my edges. And I'll show you the actual hair line. So I had some blue color in my natural hair yesterday, so I'm trying to tuck that under so you don't see the blue in my hair. It's supposed to wash out, but I haven't washed it, so let me just hide those. Okay, so this is one side, ear tabs in place. This is the other side, so the ear tabs are right in place. And here's the actual front of the wig. So as far as this truth about shaking go, yeah, throw it on. I'm just actually fluffing it up right now. I think you can also wet this hair. I think if you wet it, it would curl up some more. But oh God, this hair is so soft. What is this on here? I don't know what that is, but whatever. Anyway, so yeah, I'm not getting any shedding. The hair is very, very soft, very bouncy. I kind of like this hairstyle. I do. What do you ladies think? Oh, I want to dance with somebody. I want to feel the heat with somebody. I like this. This is so freaking soft. Oh my God. And so simple, yet very easy. Like there's not a lot of work to this unit. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to add a tad bit of powder right in that little opening and see if that makes a difference. And then I'm going to trim these bangs here just a little bit and I shall return. All right, my angels. So I actually added a little powder on the top and I did put some water and a little bit of mousse in this unit. And as you can see, I did trim the bangs just a little bit so I could see, because I couldn't see before. And this is her. So yeah, I think you can actually wear this a little bit damp, not drench the hair, but at least some mousse and water took away a lot of the flyaways. But yeah, this is really, really cute. I could see me wearing this like every day to work because I wear a mask and I wear gloves and I do not want hair in my eyes. Let me see if I can just put her behind my ear. Oh yeah, definitely. I could rock this every day. So ladies, let me know what you think about this unit. She is one cute little do. She is very cute. Let me give you another 360. And I am 5'11". This is where it hits me. If you are a little shorter, it's gonna probably fit you just a little bit more lengthwise. So this is her. That's the back. And this is the other side. So yeah, let me know what you ladies think about this unit. She is very, very cute. Once again, this is from the Naked Shake and Go. Where's my stock card? So yeah, Naked Brazilian Natural 100% Human Hair. She's in the style Whitney and the color Natural. And I will actually link down below where you can actually find this unit at a reasonable cost. And I will also link down below the information for Miss Alexa, so you ladies can check out her website and her YouTube channel, I should say. And definitely, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, I really don't know what you're waiting on. Hit that subscribe button. Do not forget to like and share this video. And don't forget to turn on your notification so you won't miss out on any future uploads. So ladies, stay fabulous as you are. Keep a clean heart. Take care of each other. And until my next unboxing, I do appreciate and love you ladies. Okay? One love. Mwah.